Let's make some buttery garlic steak tips and potatoes. I'm gonna be using this potato cutter. I'm using some golden potatoes. Now we're gonna parboil these about 5 or so minutes. I got 2 ribeyes. I'm gonna remove the bone, cube them up, probably about what, half an inch or so. Use your favorite seasoning to season these up. I'm using Chile Verde by Spanglish Asadero. Potatoes, I'm using Ancho Chile by Spanglish also. These have been parboiled, so they're nice and soft. I'm just gonna crisp them up in the pan. Toss them real well. Over medium-high heat, you're gonna sear your steaks. Probably about a minute per side on all sides. Now you want to turn them, like I said, on all sides. Get that nice browning going. Now you want to pull off the steak after the 4 minutes. I'm placing them in a bowl on the side. Now on that same pan, throw in your fries. You start getting them nicely brown, crisping up. They weren't like super crispy, but they're still real good. Once you get them nice and crispy, about 4 minutes, place them in a bowl. Now let's make our garlic butter. Throw in some butter right in the pan with your garlic. Then we're gonna be throwing in some chimichurri seasoning by my friend Al. Mix all that up, then we're gonna be placing the steak and the potatoes right back in that delicious buttery sauce. Make sure you toss and turn these, coat them really well. Throw in your potatoes, mix it all up, and enjoy. This was super easy, really delicious. I'll place all the ingredients right in the description box.